Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today I'm going to be making some cards from the December 2020 Paper Pumpkin kit, and the kit is called Beary Comforting. So the kit name is Beary Comforting. It's the December 2020 Stampin' Up kit from Paper Pumpkin. So in a previous video, I unboxed the kit, and this is the first card we're going to make. It's straight out of the kit. Everything you need is in the kit. If it's your first time subscribing, your first kit will include the acrylic block. If it's your after your first kit, you just reuse the same block from the first kit. So we are going to make this card. It is straight out of the instructions. So we need the card base, and this is gorgeous Calypso Coral. We're just going to flatten that down. We need the background with the soft seafoam and the rich razzleberry stripes. We need the koalas, which I've punched out, and if you notice, they have their hands are separate, so you can actually slide the cupcake in and they're sharing the cupcake. So that is really, really neat. And I have got the die cut punch out greeting strip, which I will use the rich razzleberry Stampin' Spot to stamp. So really, really simple to put this one together. I'm just going to move this out of the way so that I can make sure this is right in frame. And everything is dimensionalized. There's no sticky spots or anything. Everything is dimensionalized. So you get a nice big sheet of dimensionals. I'm going to pop these on here and stick this down. Super, super, super quick. If you need to put a bunch of cards together in a hurry, then these Paper Pumpkin kits are amazing. They come with everything you need. So we're just going to put this down, and it's actually the rich razzleberry lines go straight. So we pop that down, and then we are going to dimensionalize the koala bears. Koalas are one of my favorites. I do like koala bear. And I'm going to put 4 dimensionals, 2 on each koala, just to give it a little bit of stability. And I'll just peel those off and stick it down. I'm just going to make sure that those hands are kind of bent up a little bit so it's easier to do the next step. And then we just pop the koalas down about halfway and just drop them down like that. And then we dimensionalize. I'm just going to add a dimensional at the top of the cupcake because it's going to be held up by the band in the middle of the koalas. And if I dimensionalize it in the middle, it'll go, it'll push that down. It'll be way too high. So I'm just going to put that at the top. And then you can literally slide it right between their paws and tap it down. Now we just need to use our rich razzleberry Stampin' Spot. And we just need to, I've used the Hooray out of the stamp set. Just going to make sure it's inked up. And the nice thing about the photopolymers is that you can see when you've got good ink coverage. I'm going to stamp this down in the middle of the band, and there we go. And so then again, dimensionals, and I'm just going to pop one on each end and take those off. And place it at the bottom of the decoration. So there you go. That quick, that easy, and you've got a gorgeous, fun card to send to whoever you like for whatever reason you like. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the videos building the other cards and one outside the box card using elements from the kit and from my stash. So we will see you next time. Thank you very much.